So just grateful to be here in Allen, Texas. Corey Hay, David Freeman, just for inviting us down. But for Aion, just to be here to participate. This is my roots, Texas, oil and gas. Like, I can't wait to share our story, share the Gravity of Up story, share the story of Aion and why we're different. Not just our product, but our people, what we represent, the adventure, the transformation. So just, I'm proud and humbled to be here in Allen, Texas at the Lifetime. God is good to give us the opportunity, so let's go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. So cool. I just got chills all over my body. People today, like what they'll experience in our vest is completely different than anything they've ever done. Number one, they've probably never worn weight, but just to share the differences in their body, what can happen, how they can transform. That's what I do. I inspire people and give them the tools to transform their life. I've been so blessed through my life where people have come in and give me tools. It takes tools, it takes people to live at your very best. So we're grateful to have the opportunity here in Allen, Texas, here at the Lifetime. I've worked with public companies all my life, well, for 40 some years. It's not an easy thing to tackle. I knew the obstacles coming in, but the people, the energy, the love that I felt from Lifetime has made this worthwhile for me. This is gonna be my last business. This is number 7. But ultimately, this one has all my passion. It's my entire focus. It's what I think about, my wife and I, Christina, every day. How are we gonna do it better? How are we gonna impact more people? I sold my business, which when I get to Texas, I get love. Like I feel, I know that I was in the energy business, oil and gas. I'm a pipeline welder by trade. So like, I love the dirt, I love the grass, I love hard work. It beat my body up pretty good, and we'll tap into a little bit of that. But ultimately, like the vest comes from the oil patch. And I'll say that it's got stainless steel slugs in it. And as we are building it, all the influence from being a welder and a fitter and just a construction guy, like that's really where the ideas came from. But I think, I want to thank a couple more people. Kelly Nissenbaum, where are you at? She's going to talk to you in a minute on the back end, affiliates. Can they all see me? Can I see them? Huh? Hi. Wish you were all here. I love a big crowd and I love a stage, so I'm going to keep rolling, but if I don't look, pardon me. But where my story really starts is in 2007. I mentioned I was a pipeline welder, leader of thousands of men. Had thousands of people in my company, but I went through a health crisis, went through a divorce, lawsuit. If you were around, which I don't think many of you were, the 2007 and 8 was a financial crisis. I ended up with MRSA, the divorce, to lose community, to lose the ones you love. I was supposed to be the golden child. I was the golden child, basketball, professional golf, all the things that I was doing. Like I thought I was elevated. I thought it was, and it became about me. And when I'll show you my book in a little bit and talk a little bit about that. But ultimately it's about the people around you. That's what I had to go learn, right? But those health issues, my mind, what I went through, like I was at the bottom. MRSA, crutches, convulsions. Didn't know that I was 47 years old at the time. Didn't know that I'd make it to 50. Didn't know I'd make it to the next day. I'd pretty well given up. And when the book starts, it talks about like I absolutely checked out of this planet. And so today what you saw was an amazing energy by a guy that wants to live longer, wants to inspire people to live with adventure, to live with transformation. Because without that, like life is boring. Like when we look in the mirror, and we'll get to all that about what the vest will do, but our business is more than just a vest. It's more than just a product that we want to sell. It's a lifestyle. It's a mindset. So today was it was inspirational for me to get to share my story with, I hope, is hundreds and thousands of people. My heart, my life, the people that are around me that support Aion, Brent Yates, what we care about. Hundreds got to hear that today. And that's my platform and my purpose. And I'm just beyond grateful to not just be challenged to take the platform, but to take the platform. And so today was a big coming out for Brent Yates, for Aion, for what we represent and the people that represent us and stand behind us. And so I hope you've enjoyed today.
I wasn't so sure coming into this what it would sound like. I hope that what comes out is true feelings, heart, and compassion for people, and for what's happened in my life and those that have impacted me. So enjoy, follow us, support us like we're going to support you. I love you.